The day has finally reached us. Well, almost-ish. The fact that it's still in my hands is considered the day that finally came to me, so yeah. But what day? Friday? Nah, the day where FL Studio will be seen as a true revolutionary tool for recording engineers everywhere. And it's all because of one new feature that ImageLine has implemented into their software. Let's take a rewind back though. Back with FL Studio 11, the only visual that we had in regards to our vocals was the vocal that we recorded, except the one thing, which is a fade in and out of the clips, perhaps the normalized option to the boost. Yes, there were automation clips, and obviously as an audio program, we gotta use our ears to hear the results in the end of it all, but visual is just as key to our sense of judgment with audio as you may think. Simplest example, we see notes that we perform on sheet music. Seeing frequency structures on our vocals will allow us to have a better idea of how our sound will feel. Also, seeing a compression will visually show us the gain reduction that is occurring, whether it be a full waveform view or as a needle view. Visuals help us express what we want to hear. That is why seeing a visual of a waveform is very ideal. Later along the line of FL Studio's development in version 20, this happened. Yeah, it's the ball. Oh my god, it's there! This was cool as shit. Sadly, that was really it. The fact that there was a real-time visual showing the recording was big. It was pretty much animating what would then become, yet again, that static imagery that we see after the vocal is recorded. We lived with this feature, believe it or not, for over 4 years now. What sucks more, the year is almost over and we haven't seen FL Studio 21's release. I know too damn well how it feels when you want something done, but you have a dwelling fear of it not meeting expectations, so things become prolonged after saying that it will be coming soon. It's not a fun thing to deal with. Anyways, this brings us to today. And by today, I mean whenever it got released. I think it was August 24th or something. Whatever. But today, I'm going to show you what it is that I've been hyping up for the longest in this video. Brace yourselves for this. Whoa! This right here is it. Clip gain is not only a savior to our visual appeal, but it's also a savior to our technical appeal as well. A huge struggle of using FL Studio as an artist or recording engineer was the ability to increase or decrease the levels of vocals from the same clip with ease. I can't even express how many unique clips I've had to create to manually adjust the volumes to fit. And yes, you can use automation to raise the gain if needed be, but the lack of a visual confirmation really distracts the correlation of the sound to our minds, similar to an optical illusion. The visual is there, but because our eyes and brain have a difficult time loading everything correctly to process it all at once, we end up having a different result when viewing the image. But seeing a visual increase or decrease would better help our decisions. Only thing to do now is to wait for the full release of FL Studio 21 or whatever they want to call the new one. All I know is that this beta is FL Studio 20.99, so they definitely are committed to do finalizations and drop this baby soon, unless...
What? What is this?